This is part 2 of my pudding cups series. In the previous episode, I showed you how I make vanilla cups. Today we are making rich, chocolatey, and absolutely delicious mocha version. The dough recipe stays exactly the same. It's yeast-based and made with simple natural ingredients. The full list is in the description box below. The dough is naturally sweetened with ripe bananas. Sunflower oil keeps it soft and moist. Whole wheat flour adds extra fiber, while all-purpose flour keeps the texture light and airy, and of course a pinch of salt for balance. Once everything is well combined, cover the dough and let it rest for about an hour. Now onto the mocha pudding. I'm using medjool dates as a natural sweetener. Blend them with 200 ml of plant milk until smooth. Next, add 100 ml of chicory or strong coffee for the deep mocha flavor. Then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a rich chocolatey touch, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch for structure, and 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch for a silky smooth finish. Add the remaining plant milk and a generous pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor. Blend once again until everything is fully combined. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring continuously. At first it may look slightly lumpy and uneven, completely normal. As the starches activate, the pudding transforms into a thick, glossy, velvety cream like this. Let the pudding cool slightly while we prepare the cups. After resting, the dough will double in size. Take a portion and roll it out thin. Cut circles, then line a muffin tray with them. Poke small holes in the base to prevent puffing. Bake for 10 minutes, then fill the cups with the mocha pudding. Sprinkle with chopped nuts to finish and bake for another 20 minutes. And here they are, all ready with a perfectly baked crust. These turn out rich, creamy, chocolatey, with deep coffee notes in every bite. Enjoy!